Now we will discuss instrumental and integrative orientation. Instrumental motivation, as defined by Gardner and Lambert, is a desire to gain social recognition or economic advantages through knowledge of a foreign language. So in this context where we are using a foreign language or second language, the role of instrumental motivation is closely connected to some type of reward, some type of incentives. So motivation is connected to a reward or external incentives, external rewards. Could be financial, economic, or maybe in the form of recognition. Integrative motivation is basically learners' desire to communicate with the valued second language group. So this has more to do with the cultural aspect, or showing motivation, having motivation to be a part of that cultural group or the part of that particular group in which that language or foreign language or second language is being used or spoken. So let's discuss some of the points related to the instrumental as well as the integrative motivation. So if you look at integrative motivation, it is when someone learns a language because they desire to learn more about its culture. So as I said, the use of second language or foreign language in a particular culture, and here the emphasis is the culture, its people and language. That is, they wish to integrate with the target language culture and become part of that culture. Instrumental motivation, learning a second language in order to achieve some other instrumental goal, which means furthering a career, maybe reading technical materials, translating, passing an exam, etc. So you see that instrumental motivation has more to do with the specific goals and objectives, where some type of incentive or reward or recognition are involved. And here it has, in the integrative motivation, it takes into account the integration in a target language culture or encouraging becoming a part of that culture. To conclude, motivation in its general sense falls into two main categories: integrative and instrumental, that covers second language learners' overall goal and orientation towards learning second language with persistence and positive attitude.